Hi, I'm Janet Andrews.
And I'm Ann Lehman-Kuit. Welcome to our tutorial, Intentionally Creating Opportunities for Humour in Music Therapy Sessions. Together we have worked for 10 years with children with autism running group music therapy sessions. And we worked with up to 10 classes a week, so we had an ample opportunity to get to know lots of children and watch their progress over time. And during that time we noticed that a lot of children really did respond to humour, and sometimes it was the one thing that really would capture their attention. And we saw teachers working with this to great effect. And we found that it was also a little bit outside of the literature that we were reading. And so we decided to explore using humour purposefully in sessions, and we made a program over a whole term where we focused on activities that were focusing on humour